My name's Raheem. I am a manager at Lidl, so I work in retail at the moment.
Cool. And tell me why you're getting into property.
So I've always had a little thing for properties growing up. One of my parents is in property at the moment. Being from the area I am, there's a lot of HMOs and a lot of service accommodations. So I've always fancied it, plus the money is always just obviously the bonus.
100%. And tell me about the course. Tell me how you found the week. Tell me what you're taking away, that kind of thing.
So I started off with the £1 crash course, and I thought it would only be the £1 crash course. I bought this Deals Sally Masterclass course as well as the Deals Finding Extravaganza. This week has been amazing so far. The team, the support, just being able to walk out of the main hall and speak to a mentor, and it's amazing. It's priceless. Can't put a price on it.
Amazing. In terms of Samuel, in terms of the team, how has it been working with them?
Samuel, what I've always never liked about life when it comes to teachers and teaching is they're not themselves. Samuel always says, be sold on what you sell. I know for a fact he's doing it from his heart because you can see it, and you can't beat that. No one can beat that. There's a lot of people that might be selling property courses that ain't doing it from the heart, and when Sam's selling it, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. He's doing it for himself.
Amazing. And tell me about what your next steps are in terms of getting this property.
So I joined the academy this week. The only time I've ever invested in myself, ever. I actually put money into myself rather than just clothes or something that's materialistic. The goals going forward is, find my first deal and get it sold and keep it going.
Amazing. And to anyone thinking about getting this property, what would you recommend?
I would recommend first watching Samuel, watch his videos, know what you want from life in terms of yourself goals and like your own personal life goals, and then get onto the £1 crash course, work your way up, same way everyone else has done.